Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Dal Vada is a dish from South India, but it's already become popular all over India. This is normally enjoyed during tea time or as a breakfast dish. So I'm going to show you a very simple recipe to make this. I'm using two kinds of dal for this vada. One is gram flour, so I've used 1 cup of it, and 2 tablespoons of urad dal, that is split black lentils. Make sure you soak them for at least 4 to 5 hours separately. After that, just remove half a cup of soaked gram flour from the entire quantity and then grind remaining quantity of the gram flour in a coarse paste. And don't use any water while grinding the dal. So I have a coarse paste of the chana dal or the gram dal here. Also into this, I have a coarse paste of the urad dal here. Next into this, the whole soaked gram dal, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, few curry leaves finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of rice flour and salt to taste. And now let's shape these. Apply a little bit of oil onto your palms. Take a small portion of this mixture and shape it into a flat round. Make sure they are not very thick because otherwise they're not going to cook all the way through. These are shaped and now ready to fry. Add the vadas in hot oil. After adding the vadas, reduce the flame and let them fry on low heat so that they cook all the way through. Flip them over. These have tanned beautifully. And now let's get them out. Let's fry the next batch. Enjoy these easy and quick vadas at tea time with coconut chutney. Do try this at home and don't forget to thank the South for it. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.